Hey everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel on trains from all over the East Coast of the United States. And if you enjoy these videos, please take a second to hit the thanks button. It's a brand new feature on YouTube. It's down at the bottom where it says share and like and everything else. It says thanks. Gives you the opportunity to contribute $1 or $2 or even more if you'd like as a thank you for these great train videos. Here comes another video. Hope you enjoy it. Here's the brand new Shoreline East trains. They used to have that old beat up Amtrak locomotive, but they have a brand new train set here in the great state of Connecticut. We're in Madison. It's a Saturday morning. And let's see. More cars. All electric. It used to be a locomotive, it used to be diesel powered. Now they're all electric. And here they go. Getting on. And they are going. Hey, the old guy, who's the old guy that just retired? Bruno, is that his name?
Yeah.
Is he finally gone?
I believe so.
Electric is so much more quiet. And there they go on their way to New Haven, then on to New York City. Enjoy it. Got more. Don't go away. We got more coming up in a minute. So here comes a Northeast
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
At about 75 miles an hour. 75 or 78.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
We gotta get back. Hold on. Here it comes.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
So we're in Madison, Connecticut, and waiting for an Amtrak Acela to go by. But in the meantime, there's a piece of rubber.
Train approaching. Please remain behind
Here
yellow
comes
line.
the train.
Train approaching.
Let's see. Piece of rubber.
Train approaching. Please
It's still
remain
there.
behind yellow line.
Now here's one thing to keep in mind. That train was so quiet coming up from behind me.
Train approaching. Please
That
remain behind yellow
You
line.
see why all these accidents take place. Hey, if you like this video, there's a button down below that says thanks. Please hit the
Train
thanks button,
approaching. Please remain behind
and
yellow
I
line.
appreciate it.